Hey everybody, very excited to bring to you my March Secret Not Secret Kit Club. I asked Khristina Sorge to base my kit off of the Amy Tangerine Plus One, and I got a whole 6x6 paper pad. Very excited about this. I love the black and white with the pops of color like the green and the orange, the pink, and I think I even asked maybe for blues as well in my email. So this is a $50 kit, and I have not looked at it except for taking it out of the wrapping paper. So I wanted to share it with you today. So let's see what we've got. So like I said, I got the whole 6x6 paper pad, which I just absolutely love this Amy Tangerine collection. This is one of my all-time favorites. So let's see, 12 by 12s. This is It's Your Day. I'm not sure who this is by. Let's see. Pink Paisley, number 16. I don't know if they have the collections on there. Maybe It's Your Day is the collection. But I absolutely love both sides of this. So I may use both. Love the cut aparts with the green and just the bold graphic black and white. So there we go. The next one, ooh, cut files. Gotta love a cut file. Oh, I love this. Kaiser Craft. I don't know if it has a name. Stargazer Collection. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Then I can put the scrap papers there throughout. Oh, that's going to be fun. All right. And then this is black and white. This looks like it came from a paper pad. So very happy. This is the good life. So very happy. Loving this life. I like the graphic on this. This is awesome. Oh, black and white polka dots. I like the way that they're not perfectly symmetrical. Like that. It's paper pad as well. Then small black and white polka dots. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with this kit. I absolutely love it already. Oh my gosh. Stargazer by Dear Lizzie. I love this. Oh, I like that side too. I think I like this with the colors, with the black and white. We'll have to see. We'll have to see where it takes me. Amy Tangerine, Sunshine and Good Times. I think it's officially obsessed. Oh, look at the peacock. That's cool. Oh, cactus. Make lemons. I like that. I like that a lot. Sunshine on my mind. Oh, I like that site as well. This is awesome. Yellow. These are ampersands, I think that they're called. The and signs. Oh my goodness. Look at their little bees. Are they not so cute? That's awesome. This is Sunshine and Good Times, and it's Be Happy. Get it? Be Happy. Oh, this is awesome. And then this is black and white polka dot, so, which is the opposite. This is by Addison, Bella Boulevard, Curfew. I may put those two pieces of paper together with a pop of color. Oh, that's awesome. These are gems. I don't think I have anything for this side, but I do like those two black and white polka dots together. So that's my 12 by 12 paper pads. And then I haven't seen any of this. Jelly Bows Rock Candy Love and Lemon. Oh, those are awesome. They're like the old jelly sandals from years ago. Those are cool. I love the blue ones. Oh, those are going to be fun to play with. Vicky Booten, Mixed Media, Rotary Stamp. Let's see. Oh, those are cool. Good stuff. The best part. just the facts. I even like just the little circles there. Shine on. Good stuff. That's kind of cool too. Nice. All right. And then I have some thickers. These are Amy Tangerine Today. So love this. Happen XO Darling. They're in white. Seriously, XO Wonder. To be continued. That's funny. Ooh. These are cool. And very thick. Oh my gosh. These are like a whole 720 pieces of letters. Look at this. Awesome. And all the colors. I'll go with the black and white. Oh, this is cool. Thank you, Khristina. This is just totally awesome. I love it. Okay, then there's more. And then I got, oh, here's some more. Oh, sorry, sidetracked. I think these might be the watercolor stickers. Oh my goodness, everybody's been getting these, so I will have to try that on there. I'm pretty sure that's what these are. Little flowers, so I can paint these in some really bold colors. Those are cool. I like the numbers as well. And then these cool letters. Look how bold they are and graphic. Love it. Just love it. Oh, pink stars. These are Bella Boulevard Punch Mix. And of course, puffy. Gotta love the puffy stars. Awesome. And then I'm excited about this. I have a few of these, and I love the fact that they have these 3-ring binders that I can put them in a book. And I really like the flowered one, so I will definitely be using that. I might be doing an ombre or rainbow. Not really sure, but definitely going to be using that this month. Okay. Oh, some epoxy stickers. These are cool. These are from Bella Boulevard also. Make Your Mark. Break Rules. Wild. You Are Enough. Joy. I really like this one. I think my daughter did some artwork that was kind of like that. With the blues and yellow. So that may go with it. It's cool. And then, of course, we always have little bags of happiness. Oh. Look at those, aren't they cute? Oh, look at watermelon, a little bird. I love birds. I love using birds on my layouts. Some bees, suitcase. That is awesome. I don't know if you guys can see it. I always have a glare, so that is cool. Let's see what else we got. Oh, and look at this washi tape. Isn't that cool? It's like a navy blue. I love it. All right. Oh, we got a lot of pieces. Oh, these are cool. I've been using these a lot more. I used to not use them. I didn't like them, but I noticed that I've been putting them on my notes and stuff, my journaling, and they add a pop of color, and it's quick, and it's, you know, it's a nice way to accent the pages. And then these are awesome. I love these colors. Let's see, what is that? That's a black star, yellow heart. Let's see. I have those, and then I have another little bag of happiness. So let's see what's in here. I can't wait to start using this kit. This is like totally awesome. I love a good cup of coffee. Feeling good. This will definitely be used. Love that. Fun. That's exactly what this kit is. Oh, I had one of these ice cream cones, and I used it on one of my layouts. I absolutely love it. I'm glad I got another one. Hold on a second. I probably should not worry about taking the cutouts out. But so cool. Summer fun. Arrows. Let's see, me, some stars, some matching ephemera flowers with the chipboard from the other. Got friends, besties, girl squad. That's cool. I'll be using that for me, my daughter, and her aunt. Some pictures that we took. Little journaling or accents. Sparkle wherever you go. I love that. Create. Smile. Records. Need to get some vinyl. Not sure where these came from. I've seen other people have those. Those are kind of cool. So, use those with our vacation. I do like this. Flowers. That's different. It says bloom, but there's black marker through it, or black lines through it. That's different. Be you, be brave. I like that. Not sure what that is. Cloud, maybe? Maybe? I don't know. Cheeks, and then a star. Black and white star. Like I said, absolutely love this kit and cannot wait to start using it. I am finishing up my February kit. I have papers put together with pictures and kind of working through that May. So, like I said, this is my March kit, and Khristina shipped both my March and April kits. So I'll have another unboxing on the April kit, which is Now and Then, I believe it was based on. So, like I said, very excited, getting ready to use this kit, and I hope everybody enjoyed my video, and have a good night. Thank you. Bye.